First of all, I would like to wish you a happy Diwali.
Same to you. Happy
And
Diwali to you as well. Yeah.
thank you, thank you.
Everybody likes to eat different sorts of food and they cook. So there is no any traditional food on the occasion of Deepavali, but we have Chhat Puja after 6 days.
Oh, yes.
So it's one
Mm-hmm.
of the biggest festivals of Bihar. So in
Okay.
Chhat Puja, we have traditional dishes that we cook.
Okay, so you're presently working as a teacher or an educator, right? Where do you teach? Are you associated with any
We,
organization or any institute?
I run my own offline institute named as Regenership Classes.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. That's great. And what place are you from?
I'm from Bihar, Darbhanga. The name of this city is Darbhanga. It's a small city,
Mm-hmm.
one of the most popular cities of Bihar.
Oh, wonderful. And how is the weather in Bihar right now?
It's cool. It's fine. Like not too hot, not too cold. October. So this weather is fine right now. So I would like to know about you a little bit now.
Yeah, so let me take a moment to introduce myself. I'm Aisha. I'm connecting with you all the way from New Delhi. And I have been in this profession for the last 7 years. I worked with different platforms, be it offline or online platforms. And finally, I'm working with English Yari, and it's a happy place for me for now because it allows me to connect with learners who are from different parts of India, from different walks of life. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. At the same time, I love helping my learners in every possible way, be it with their pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, fluency, right? So
Mm.
I'm happy that you
Great.
chose me your tutor for today's session. Yeah. So would you like to
Yeah,
go
it's my
ahead
pleasure.
with Okay, so would you like to discuss the topic, or would you like to speak about Diwali? Whatever suits you, whatever you think you want to discuss, you can tell me.
Well, I'm comfortable with both the things, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I had one question in my mind. Like, since how long you have been on English Yari?
Oh, I joined English Yari in the month of April this year.
Okay.
Yes. So it has been almost 5 to 6 months for me. Yeah.
Yeah, we celebrated Diwali yesterday. I think few people are also celebrating today, or more than few.
Yes.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why it's happening in India? Like, all festivals falls on 2 days nowadays. And I think because of the people who make patras, they have kind of confusion, or there are several associations and they want to rule. That's why they say, somebody say today is Diwali, somebody say no, day after that will be Diwali. Yeah.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, this
it's a
time
sad
there
thing
was
happening.
some confusion. There was some confusion around it. As you said, that many people are celebrating Diwali today. That's on Friday. Yeah, a lot of in many states it was celebrated yesterday. So tell me, when did you celebrate? It's better to celebrate it on both days, right?
Yeah, like here in Bihar, people celebrate for 3 days. Okay, before
Oh,
1 day before the Diwali, 1 day
mhm.
during Diwali, and 1 day after Diwali. Okay, so they celebrate two small Diwalis and one
Oh,
big Diwali. Yeah, so
okay, that's
people are going to celebrate today as well. So no problem whether it falls yesterday or today.
wonderful. So, what excites you the most about Diwali? Is it food? Is it meeting new people? Is it wearing new outfits? What excites you the most about Diwali or any festival?
I love foods on the occasion of any festivals because special dishes will be cooked in the home.
Mm-hmm.
Apart from enjoying foods, nothing more excites me. Like I don't use firecrackers. I don't play with firecrackers on the occasion of Diwali, so it doesn't excite me. But yes, after all, the vibe that we get from the surroundings. Okay, everywhere people are happy, joyous. They wear new dress. It looks like yeah, environment has changed today from other days. So that's also give me lots of pleasure. At least for us, one day people find themselves happy or they try to do something that gives them pleasure for themselves
Yeah, there are
or happiness.
problems in everyone's life. Everyone is battling with something or the other thing in their routine life. But festivals are, it's that time of the year. when we all are together as a family and we cherish a lot of moments together. We eat food together, we live together, we laugh together. I think that is the best part about festivals.
Yeah, it is best part about festivals.
So tell me, what are a few traditional delicacies that you prepare on day of Diwali?
There is no traditional special dish here in Bihar. Like people prepare their favorite dish, right? Like
Mm-hmm.
whatever they like to cook on that day. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
except non-veg. Okay, so nobody eats non-veg because this day people worship goddess uh, Lakshmi and Ganesh on the day of
Mm-hmm.
Deepavali, right? Yeah, they are known
Mm-hmm.
as the goddess of wealth. Yeah, so like it depends on people to people. Like, everybody likes to eat different sorts of food and they cook. So there is no any traditional food on the occasion of Deepavali, but we have Chhat Puja after 6 days.
Oh, yes.
So it's one
Mm-hmm.
of the biggest festivals of Bihar. So in
Okay.
Chhat Puja, we have traditional dishes that we cook, like tikri, piraki. I don't know how to speak in English because it is
Mm-hmm.
a very regional kind
There
of
are there are no
dishes. So
English words for for it. Hmm. Okay, I think the puja that you're talking about, it lasts for about 4 to 5 days, if I'm not wrong.
yeah, it lasts for 4 days,
Hmm. Okay,
and
that's great.
people worship rising sun and setting sun as well on the occasion of Chhat Puja.
Wow, that's great. That's amazing. And Anand, I would like to know, do you have a sweet tooth?
Sweet?
Do you have a sweet tooth? Sweet tooth. I will
What it
write it
means?
in the chat box. Yeah, sweet tooth. There are people who like to eat sweets, right? They like to have desserts, sugary items, or
Okay,
chocolates, sweets, or desserts. So if you like desserts or sweets, that means you have a sweet tooth. Okay.
okay, great, great.
So
Thank you.
that's
Yeah.
why I was. That's what I was trying to ask you. Do you have a sweet tooth?
No, I don't like sweets.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I eat sweets, yeah, but I don't like sweets. I more than sweets, I like salty things. Okay, little
Oh,
bit
you like
salty and
savory.
spicy.
You can say
Yeah,
I like savory.
I like.
Savory, savory. Even I like savory a lot.
Oh,
Salty
savory.
things.
Yeah.
Yeah, salty
Okay,
things, right?
salty
All
things.
the local snacks that we have, whether it be pakoras or kachori, all these are savory items because they are salty, right? So do you like
Yeah, they are.
savory or do you like desserts?
I like savory. I like
Okay.
pakoras. I like uh, most of the pakoras and
Oh.
others like kachori. You told not
Mm-hmm.
too much kachori, but little bit I like it. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so puri. So these are
Okay.
favorite items.
Yes, yes. Okay, Anand, at the beginning of the session, you told me that you don't burn firecrackers. Is there any particular reason behind it?
Like aware, kind of self-aware person that I have to not harm environment. Anyway, I'm not. I do not enjoy making a loud sound or disturbing others or just so that's why I do not enjoy firecrackers. But let me tell you, when I was a child, I did not know about anything like that. I didn't have
Mhm.
conscience to understand the nature and all other things. Then I used
Mhm.
to use firecrackers. But right now I don't use firecrackers because I'm well aware that using firecrackers is a waste of money, and more than that, I also harm other animals and environment.
Yes, I think this is the kind of awareness that we need because pollution is skyrocketing at this time of the year. I mean, to say it's on rise, right? Most of the parents they buy their children firecrackers. I think if you burn them in a limited quantity, it's okay, it's fine. But sometimes people go overboard with it, you know. So they end up polluting. The pollution at this point of the time is, it's, I would say, you can't even breathe if you come to Delhi, because this is the
Mm.
time when all the neighboring states of Delhi, okay, particularly in Punjab is known as the agricultural capital of our country, right? It's the agriculture capital of our country, and this is the time when they burn agricultural waste, which is also known as stubble burning, right? Stubble
Yeah,
burning. So they burn a lot of stubble at this time of the year. So it's already on rise. The air pollution is already on rise. Then burning firecrackers, it adds fuel to the fire, I would say,
fuel to the fire. Yeah,
right?
of course.
So yeah, things become
Yeah,
very difficult.
I had seen reports last year. The Delhi air of Delhi was one of the most polluted airs around the cities of the world, and
Mm-hmm.
one cannot breathe. It was like as harmful that you cannot breathe. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, the concerning point is that there are lots of asthma and patients like that, who has airborne disease, and one who is suffering from airborne disease, uh, for them, these few weeks and few months are very challenging. Yeah, for them it's really challenging month.
There
We
are people,
celebrate
as you
Diwali.
said, yeah,
Mm,
there can be people who have asthma, right? Asthma, or there can
yeah,
be
TAT
newborn
silent.
baby.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So there can be newborn babies, people who have respiratory disorders, right? So this is, or there can be patients around, or there can be a student who is trying to prepare, for some competitive exam. So it causes a lot of disturbance for them. But at the same time, I think we must avoid burning those firecrackers which produce a lot of sound.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So did you use burning firecrackers in your childhood?
Yeah, I did it to some extent in my childhood, but I no longer do it anymore.